Okay, one of the questions I get asked quite regularly is the difference between vector and pixel-based graphics. Vector-based graphics are described mathematically, whereas pixel-based graphics are defined by a pixel grid. In design terms, vector files are useful if you need to scale and maintain the quality of your graphics. Often company logos are defined using a vector format, be that Illustrator, .ai, EPS encapsulated PostScript, or even PDF files, which is an extended version of the Illustrator format. I have two examples here on my screen. For all intents and purposes, they both look identical. It's when we start to zoom in on these items that we see a change in quality. As I zoom in, you will see that the vector graphics on the left-hand side stay nice and smooth and clean, whereas you start to see the pixels in the pixel-based graphic. It pixelates. So if you need to create graphics that are infinitely scalable, maintaining their quality, then the vector format is the best route to follow.